Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock onboarding videos. In this video, we will show how to add custom tracking domain. So, in your account, you go to Tools, Domains, and click New. And here you will have the instructions. It's what's important, your own. This one is unique for each account, dedicated tracking domain. So, copy it and then go to your name register, for example, GoDaddy where you have it, and with your domain, DNS management, click Add. Then you do CNAME, then you do the subdomain that will be used for tracking, unlock, for example, and then we provide the value. Oops, that's the wrong value. We provide the value from this page. Provide the value, choose detail, and save. When you have saved the domain, you can go back to your RedTrack Unlock account and follow this setup. Basically add your subdomain and main domain. Then either use your own SSL certificate or generate free SSL certificate and click Save. Your domain was added. That's it. Thank you. Enjoy using RedTrack.